around the boosters here, and they'll start puddling up fuel. JR had a Mustang that had the same carb, and it would do that.
This thing was filthy also.
Oh yeah, it's gonna have to sit in the cleaner for sure. There we go. It's wet right here.
Right there on those.
On the boosters.
Yep.
Yep.
I just watched it pouring. Around here.
Yep, it's coming out around the vents. A lot of people epoxy those. I do not like to do that.
Well, that's not the best thing to do.
No, what I usually do is I tear them down and I check it over, and then I go, okay, do I go hunting for one, you know, to make a good one out of two, or do we just, yeah, it's definitely been.
I think the last time I even had to tighten these up.
Yeah. Damp under on the bottom of the screw even. Oh yeah. It's actually dribbling out of the booster too. That's why it's always hard to start because it's missing so much fuel.
Yeah, it's overheating.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure the floats were.
Interesting spot for the ground.
Right here also.
Right on the edge, huh? Yep. Oh, wow. Yeah. Definitely a good cleaning and reseal. Yep. That's where the power valve lives on these. They always leak there. All right, Steven 65. Carburetor rebuild time. Well, we're gonna tear down C. Could also go with a reman, depending, just because sometimes these get a little porous. All right, so got all my screws out of the top here. Got my choke pretty much unhooked. This here vacuum diaphragm is of course stuck. There we go. Spring's good, but you can see the diaphragm starting to tear. Yeah, that's not good. I don't like it when those tear. That's no es bueno. So that was our first uh-oh. I do need to knock our pin out, which we'll do in a little bit. Get this off here. Hold on. Come here, baby. Get you off. Go find the right wrench real quick. Got our top basically loose. Wet. Wet. All right. Ooh, crispy critter gasket. Crispy critter gasket. Mmm. Mmm. Sediment. Mmm. Yummy. Right. Right. Got our boosters out. Gonna get the check ball that's down in there out. But other than that, coming along. Gonna get our floats out, which actually we were concerned about. They don't look half bad, gentlemen. There we go. There's one side. And there's the needle for a needle and seat. All right. power valves. Seen better days down there. Get this guy out. Come on out, baby. All right. And do note that front and rear are different. Those seem pretty good. So we got jets. Ooh, look at all that sediment and shit down there. Yummy. All right, so this power valve's seen better days. It's not happy, but you know, nothing new there. So we'll pull that out. I'm gonna pull this accelerator pump off, and that's about it. Gotta get the choke out. So our accelerator pump diaphragm, that baby's a little tired. Ugh. Springy spring, boing boing. Pull out our Shingadera. All right. Choke and done. Oh, I gotta get the power valve out too.